In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add and customize a countdown timer in Capcut for your projects. First, import your media files into Capcut, including your main video and a countdown timer clip. Next, select these imported videos so you can prepare them for editing on the timeline. Now add the timer clip to your project by selecting it from your media and placing it on the timeline. This allows you to position the countdown timer exactly where you want it in your video. Open the cover options to fine-tune how your video starts or appears. This helps set the initial look of your project. Next, use the Remove BG and Chroma Key features to eliminate the timer background. Use the color picker to select a color and drag to find the right shade for clean results. Adjust the timer's size by dragging the corner of its frame to fit your video's layout. Move the timeline marker to preview how the countdown aligns with your video, ensuring perfect timing. As you can see, the countdown has been successfully added. You've now added and customized a countdown timer in Capcut. Great job!